Once I get obsessed with something, it takes the anointing of the Lord to break the yoke. Hi guys, you're all welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back here for my videos and for liking and interacting with my content. And if you're a new subscriber, you're a new viewer, thank you so much for coming and clicking on this video. I hope you enjoy it and it's the kind of content you like, and I hope you like my pretty face and my hair and my makeup today. I'm not a professional makeup artist. I just do hit and run. So this is what I came up with today. I hope you all like it. Please, if you are new here, consider subscribing. It helps me a lot. Like my videos, and please return for more awesome content. So guys, today I'm going to be talking to you about my newfound obsession with incense. Once I get obsessed with something, it takes the anointing of the Lord to break the yoke. So recently I started researching into incense. I don't even know, the other day I was reading something online and I saw frankincense, and I was like, my opinion before now, my mindset before now was that frankincense or incense, you could only find it in like Jerusalem or Judah or Nazareth, that kind of thing. Because growing up, you are reading the Bible and then you see all those stories that, okay, the three wise men came to visit Jesus and they gave him gifts of gold, myrrh, and frankincense. And you're looking at, okay, gold is relatable. Myrrh is like, what is that? Myrrh, very unrelatable. Frankincense, too, the same thing. I felt like it was very unrelatable. And my mindset before now was, I used to think that they are unavailable in this part of the world, and that, okay, maybe you could only find them in like Jerusalem, Nazareth, Judea, Galilee, and all that. Well, I did a little research. I started on Gigi actually, and I found that incense is available in Nigeria. And in this video, I'm going to be taking you through all the incenses I've sampled, all the ones I've tried. Do I have a favorite yet? I'm not really sure I have a favorite yet. I'm still sampling them. Maybe I'll do another video over time to let you guys know the one that's now my favorite. But for now, I'll just take you through all the ones I've tried, and probably you could also sample or start, diving. Is it diving? You could start, developing an interest into incense in your own spare time. So why did I already gave you people a background of my interest in incense, how I felt like, okay, it's something that only people in the Middle East have access to, and then I found that it's available in Nigeria. The first incense I purchased was this. I bought it in a supermarket. I don't know if you can see the name. It's called Night Queen, I think. Night Queen. Yes, Night Queen. I bought it for 400 naira. It's just like, let me show you what's inside. It has 20 sticks inside, and I think I have only 6 left, so I've used 14. This is what it looks like. So you just light it up here and let it burn, and it just releases a really nice fragrance in the house. So this is the first incense I sampled, and I really liked it. Now after I used this, I now realized that it gives the house a really nice scent, and I really liked it because I used to feel before now that my house has one particular smell like that I didn't like. So I began to sample more. I went on Instagram and looked for incense, and then I found turaren wuta. If you're from the north, I'm sure this word I just said now, turaren wuta, is not going to be absolutely new to you. Turaren wuta means fire perfume, or perfume on fire, or perfume and fire. Turare is perfume, wuta is fire. So I found all these turaren wuta people on Instagram, and before then after I purchased this, I went to the market to look to where they sell local, traditional, spiritual stuff, and I got this kind of incense. I don't know if you can see it. is the back of the incense tree. Yes, so I got this. I think I got it for probably 800 naira, and I've used most of it. This is all that is left. It's not much anymore. But I didn't really like using this one because I felt like it was kind of like stressful, lighting up the wood, and uh, I just didn't really enjoy using it because it felt like I was cooking with firewood, because I had to like light it, stay with it, do some technicalities for it to light, and then it didn't really used to burn completely. Maybe there's a technique to it that I'm not really familiar with, but this is not really my favorite kind of incense. I'm going to attach a video up here so that here or here, anyone, so that you guys can see what the wooden back of the incense looks like. It already has a nice smell, a smell which I recognize from my childhood, because growing up, we grew up in a compound that was opposite a celestial church, and I remember distinctly that this smell used to always come out from that church, and I really hated it. But recently, diving into all this incense, I find that it's not really that bad. And for your information, I find that it's not really that bad. Oops. Okay, so after my experience with this incense, I felt like I didn't really like it, so I went ahead and bought this one. Let me come close so that you can see what it looks like. Can you see this? Yes, so I went and purchased this. I'm not really sure if this is incense or myrrh. I'm not really sure. After this video, I'm going to do the research and place a picture of it there. But this one burns easier than the wooden type. I have a little idea that I've not confirmed, that probably this is the gum, the resin from this tree. This is the back of the tree, while this is like a produce of the tree. So it also smells nice. It smells similar to this one as well. It's easier to burn. And I think I like it better than this one. Good. Now moving on, I went on Instagram, as I was saying, and I found these women selling turaren wuta, and then I ordered one. Now, for you to successfully burn this particular type of incense, you need activated charcoal. I didn't have. I looked for it in the supermarkets all over my city. I couldn't find activated charcoal, so I had to order activated charcoal from this lady. It comes in a donut shape. Let me show it to you. It comes in packages like this. I think there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in it, and then this is what it looks like. This is what the charcoal looks like. I hope I don't mess up my dress. This is what the charcoal looks like. Good. Now, in addition to that, I also bought this incense burner. It's looking very primitive, I know. I didn't really afford the more fancy ones. I'm going to attach some pictures of very, very much more fancy ones, which I'm going to buy when I upgrade my incense game. Yes, when I upgrade my incense game, I'm going to go and purchase nicer ones. But this is the one I got as a learner package. I think I got it for 1,000 naira from the lady. I'm going to link her Instagram handle in the description box of this video. I got it from her for 1,000 naira. So what you do is place a charcoal into this, then you place your incense. This is the one you choose to burn. You light it. Oh my goodness, I forgot. You light the charcoal. You just use I use this, which I used to use to fix my eyelashes, to pick the charcoal, place it on over my gas when it's burning, and then it gets hot in about seconds. Then I place it in this incense burner, and then I drop my incense. If this is the one I feel like burning, I drop it on top of the charcoal, and it begins to burn and release a really nice smell into my house. Now, I didn't only purchase this from her. Like I said, she sells turaren wuta, so I bought the incense burner from her. I bought the coal charcoal from her. I probably need to zoom in so that you guys can see. Yes, donut charcoal. I bought it from her as well. Then I also asked her to send me the smallest jar of her best-selling incense, and so she sent me this sandal flakes. Yes, sandal flakes. I can't really say I like the smell. Even though it's her favorite best-selling incense, but I'm not really a fan of this one actually. It's not as if it smells so bad. I use it from time to time because my money cannot enter one chance. But it's not really my favorite. I'll probably order another fragrance of the incense from her just to try out one or two to see my favorite. But this sandal flakes is not really my favorite from the one I've sampled so far, but I still use it. Now I forgot to mention, incense has spiritual benefits. Like, it rids you of negative energy spiritually. It kind of like rids your atmosphere of negative energy. That's what I've heard from videos that I've watched. I've also burnt it in my house, but the most significant and prominent observation I've made from burning incense is that it just gives the air in your house a lighter note. The air in your house doesn't feel as heavy as it used to feel, and it smells nice. It just gives your house a really fragrant vibe. And when I pass my curtains, when I pass my room, I can just feel it days after I've burnt the incense. So I think I really like that. But if it's difficult for you to get any one of these, because this was a whole process, this was easy to get as well. But for you to enjoy the benefits of this, you really need to get an incense burner. You could also use any jar or something that can take the heat, but I chose to get this because I want to be a practicing incense burner of incense. Yes, I had to get all this. So this would also do, and I wouldn't really recommend this one, the wood chips, chipped wood or wood chipped type. I wouldn't really recommend that, but I was exploring, so that was why I got it. But if you can't lay your hands on any of this, I think this is perfect. Sometimes when I don't have the energy to go through removing these, getting the coal, burning all that, I just like this, and then let it burn and just make I like watching the flame. I like watching the flame go up. So I just like to burn this and just watch it burn and let it refreshing my home. Yes. So this is just 400 naira. Very affordable for a newbie incense burner. For you to explore to see if you really like this incense business. For lack of a better word to call it. Yes, guys. So if you enjoyed my video, please kindly like, subscribe, and please comment below. Let me know if you've ever used incense, or if like me, you've always thought that incense are unavailable in Nigeria and felt like it's a foreign concept attributable to the Middle East. Just let me know. And if you want to try out incense for the first time, this incense is not a bad idea at all. You can get it in big supermarkets. I got it in a supermarket, very affordable, just 400 naira. So let me know what you think about this video. Like, share, comment, and please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.